So now we're demonstrating how clean the engine is. Beautiful, isn't it? Just spray the Terra-Kleen. Yes, sir. Yes.
Look at it, lily white. Lily white.
Good job, Claudio.
Lily white.
A gallon of concentrate?
Yeah.
I think it's, let me just check the price here, but we can check it out.
Well, he asked me the price.
Oh, he asked you the
Yeah.
price for the gallon. Okay.
Yeah, gallon concentrate.
Concentrate is, let me get the gallon here.
Yeah.
Concentrate is, okay, extreme.
Yeah, extreme.
Gallon is 4 liter. So if I go, okay, so
Yeah.
hang on. Let me go, let me press this. Press this number here, no, 54. My camera, okay, so let me, hold on.
Okay, finish that video.
Okay, and then
Done.
Claudio is doing the wiping, but you can see how beautiful it has come out. And this is the power of Terra-Kleen. Terra-Kleen. You can't mess with Terra-Kleen. Yes.
That's it.
Thank you, right?
It works.
All right.
Yes, I can see it works.
Great.
100%.